Okay, this is your periodic table quiz. I'm going to go through and read it with you. So you're going to type your first name in here, type your last name here, select your class period. Are you second or are you fifth period? Select your teacher. Number 1 says, the periodic table is where elements are organized by blank atomic number. Is it increasing or decreasing? Select your correct answer. The next one, who devised the first periodic table? Was it Henry G.J. Moseley or Dmitri Mendeleev? Select your correct answer. Dmitri Mendeleev devised the first periodic table based on blank atomic number, atomic mass. Henry G.J. Moseley arranged elements by atomic number, atomic mass. The periodic table is arranged by blank and periods, groups and periods, or size and periods. Select your correct answer. Groups are blank columns of elements with similar properties. Vertical or horizontal. Remember, vertical goes up and down, horizontal goes side to side. So are groups up and down or side to side? Periods are blank rows of elements that contain increasing numbers of protons and neutrons. Is it vertical or horizontal? Then submit this. You're able to take this quiz multiple times, so keep taking it until you make at least a 60 out of 70, okay? Keep taking it.